Hold on to your smartphones, folks, because Samsung is about to flip the future once again. And this time, it's not just bending reality, it's folding it, flipping it, and possibly even tripling it. That's right, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are closer than ever, and what's coming might just be the biggest foldable leap since, well, folding phones became cool again. The hype train is officially at full speed as we approach Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event, expected this July. And leading the charge? The 2025 foldable lineup featuring the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and, wait for it, a possible Z Flip Fan Edition for those of us who love the look but not the price tag. Yes, Samsung might finally give us a budget-friendly foldable. Hallelujah! According to a juicy new report straight from South Korea, Samsung Display has already kicked off production of the foldable OLED panels. These bad boys are now on their way to Samsung Electronics, with final assembly set to happen at their factories in Vietnam. So if you're dreaming of unfolding your phone this summer, the magic is already in motion. But wait, there's a twist. Samsung may stagger the release of the Flip Fan Edition, possibly saving it for an October or November debut to avoid cannibalizing Z Flip 7 sales. Smart move, or maybe just a clever way to keep the buzz going all year long. And just when you think that's all, rumors are swirling about a trifold device. Yep, a phone that folds not once but twice. We're not sure if it's coming this year, but if it does, Samsung's naming team is going to have a real puzzle on their hands. Now, let's zero in on the Z Fold 7, Samsung's next flagship foldable powerhouse. This thing is shaping up to be a beast. Rumors suggest it'll sport the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip, with whispers of the Exynos 2500 floating around, because apparently, chip drama is the new soap opera. Design-wise, we're expecting a sleeker, thinner body, lighter weight, and, thank you, tech gods, a smaller crease on the folding screen. That alone might be worth the upgrade. Samsung might also be taking cues from the special edition model previously exclusive to South Korea and China, bringing larger displays and possibly a revamped S Pen. Yes, the stylus is probably sticking around, and it might get its own glow-up too. Let's talk software. If you're still recovering from the trauma of Samsung's Android 15 rollout delays, you're not alone. But good news, both the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are rumored to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8, right out of the box. That would make Samsung one of the first to ship with Android 16, beating even Google's own Pixel 10 series. So, should you wait for the Z Fold 7? If you've been craving a wider screen, a thinner design, and one of the best foldable camera setups out there, this could be the one. But if you're happy with your Z Fold 5 or 6, and not ready to remortgage your house for a shinier crease, you might want to stick it out. You'll still get One UI 7 features without upgrading. So there you have it, Samsung's foldable future is unfolding faster than ever, and whether you're Team Flip, Team Fold, or just here for the trifold rumors, 2025 is shaping up to be a wild ride. Now it's your turn. Are you upgrading to the Z Fold 7? Holding out for the Fan Edition? Or secretly saving up for that triple-fold magic carpet phone? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button if this video gave you life. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech news, leaks, and breakdowns. And if you're still on the fence, check out our video right here on 5 features we want in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and this one for the latest Galaxy S25 reviews.